Hello, I have the hiccups.
It'll come sometime soon.
No. When I open my mouth. Wait, I think they're gone. Darn it.
I mean, dang it. I didn't say that.
Okay, so, they're gone!
We have to make her laugh more, so, we're just gonna go.
No, I can't force it. Darn it. Because when I hiccup, so I had really loud hiccups, like, last night, I think. And then I was going like this, and my dad was like, and then when I hiccup, I will go, ah! It was so loud. Oh my god. Okay, ready?
Come on. Let's get out there. It's not coming. It's not coming. Oh, there you go.
Okay. Ah!
She loves the hiccups. I don't know why, but yeah. There we go. She gets very hyper when she has the hiccups.
Darn it, I missed it. I was laughing.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Why do you love her so much? You're crazy, Carrie.
Oh, shoot. Okay, keep talking so it doesn't look like I'm weird.
Okay. So, it was a half day today. It's pretty cool. We, instead of late start, we had early dismissal because we have conferences. And, yeah. And so, I don't know how my conferences are going to go. I hope they go well. I'm just...
That's so funny.
Hold on. Oh. Who's this? That's your mom's.
Hello? Hi. Nothing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, one sec. Bye! My mom's on mute. Okay, bye!